Hello everyone, welcome to Cookit My Guru. We'll see the difference between constructor and destructor in Python. In constructor, constructor is a special method or special member of the class which is used to initialize the data members when an object of class is created. The syntax for the constructor is def _init _self. In constructor, there are two types. First is parameterized constructor and another one is non-parameterized constructor. We'll see the code for constructor in Python. In this example, folding chair is a class that has one constructor that is def _init with self parameter and print function with the string ordered for folding chair. Then created an object for the folding chair class, which is folding chair is equal to folding chair in main function. Then call this main function by evaluating the conditional statement. We know that whenever we create an object, the constructor will get initialized. Here the constructor is the init method. When we run this code, we should get output ordered for the folding chair. Then we'll run this code and we are getting output as ordered for folding chair. Next is we want to delete this constructor. It can be done by using destructor. Then what is destructors? Destructors are like a function used to destroy and clean up an object after it has been created and initialized. The syntax for the destructor is def _del with self parameter. And then second one is coding for destructor in Python. For the same example, we'll try to delete the constructor by using destructor, which is def _del with self parameter. Then we'll call this destructor by using keyword del with the object name. After executing this code, we should get output ordered for folding chair, and the order for folding chair has been cancelled. We'll run this code. Here we are getting output is ordered for folding chair and the order for folding chair has been cancelled. These are the difference between constructor and destructor in Python. For more details of constructor and destructor, you can watch our previous video by using above card. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next session. Keep coding, happy learning.